Alright, so ang tuning natin for this song is standard. And then capo on the 2nd fret. And then for the intro, ganito siya. Okay? So yung mga nagamit nating chords doon ay D, ganun ang kalabit. And then, hindi nyo naaalisin doon middle finger and ring finger sa pwesto nila. Ilalagay nyo itong pinky finger nyo sa 3rd string, 4th fret, and then index finger sa 5th string, 2nd fret. May hammer pa rin ganon. May hammer on pa rin dito sa may pwesto ng middle finger. And then G, na ganito. Yung ring finger, wag nyo nang alisin. Lagay nyo yung pinky finger nyo sa ilalim ng ring finger. Then, ganyan yung kalabit. And then A, regular A, pwedeng hawakan ng ganito, pwede rin ganito. And then may passing chord na B, ganito ang hawak. 5th string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 3rd string. And then, itong shape na ito, iangat nyo lang ng 2 fret. Okay? Di ba parang A, galing sa A? Okay? So, ganun yung intro. Bali, ganito siya. Okay? And then, punta na tayo sa may verse 1. So, verse 1, 4 lang yung chords na gagamitin. And uulitin ng 4 na ulit. Itong mga chords na to ay D. Strum na natin siya. Di ba? Yung hammer on sa unang kalabit. Okay, and then, B minor na ganito ang hawak. 5th string and the 3rd string sa 2nd fret, and then 2nd string sa 3rd fret. Okay? And then G, huwag nyo na alisin yung ring finger nyo. Bass note ng G sa 3rd fret. And then mag-hammer on tayo dito sa may 2nd fret, 1st string. Okay? And then A sus. Okay, so bali ganito siya, di ba? Looking kinda lonely, girl. You like someone new to talk to. Oh yeah, alright. Feeling kinda lonely too, if you don't mind. I'll sit down here beside you. Oh yeah, alright. Okay? So, yun yung verse 1. 4 chords na D, B minor, G, and A sus. 4 na ulit. Okay? And then, punta na tayo sa may pre-chorus. Yung pre-chorus naman niya ganito. If I seem to come on too strong, I hope that you'll understand. I say these things cause I like to know if you're as lonely as I am, and if you're mine. Okay? And then after that, chorus na. So, dito muna tayo sa pre-chorus. Yung mga nagamit na chords natin is E minor, if I seem to come on, and then F sharp minor 7. Too strong. Back to E minor. I hope that you will understand. Okay, balik sa F sharp minor. That you will understand. E minor. I say these things cause I'd like. F sharp minor 7. G. Regular G, as I am, E7. Ganito hawak. And then G, would you mind? And then may A. Pero yung A na to, part na to ng chorus. Okay, di ba? If I seem to come on too strong, I hope that you will understand. 'cause I'd like to know if you're as lonely as I am, and if you mind sharing the night. Chorus. Yung chorus naman is just the same as verse 1, pero dalawang ulit lang, di ba? Sharing the night, may A lang sa unahan. Together, oh, yeah. Sharing the night together, oh, yeah. Sharing the night. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple ang chorus. And then, punta na tayo sa may bridge. Bridge, but a bridge. Yes. Diba? We could be in the morning, girl, if you wanna go that far. And if tomorrow finds us together right here, the way we are, would you mind sharing the night? Okay? So, ang mga nagamit nating chords dito sa my bridge is B minor. We could bring in them, and then F sharp minor 7 or F sharp minor, morning girl, and then G if you wanna go that far, and then A, and then passing chord na may over B, B flat, diba? That far. Okay, nilagay nyo lang tong index finger nyo dito sa may bass note ng B flat, and then B minor, and if tomorrow, and then F sharp minor right here, G the way we are, A, and then G again, do you mind, and then chorus, sharing the night together, oh. Okay, so bridge ulitin natin. B minor. We could be in the morning, girl, if you wanna go that far, and if tomorrow finds us together right here, the way we are, would you mind sharing the night together, oh, yeah. Sharing the night together, oh, yeah. Sharing the night. Okay? And then verse 2, diba? Would you like to dance with me and hold me? You know I wanna be holding you. Oh yeah, alright. There's a lot you wanna do, and I see it in your eyes, and I like it, and I like it too. Oh yeah, alright. And then pre-chorus, I'd like to get to know you better. Is there a place where we can go, where we can be alone together, and turn the lights down low, sharing the night. Chorus, parang dalawang ulit na chorus na fade out, diba? Sharing the night together, oh, yeah. Sharing the night together, oh, yeah. Sharing the night together. Sharing the night together, oh, yeah. Sharing the night together, yeah. Sharing the night together. So parang ganun siya. Okay? And then yung guitar 2, meron lang siya mga mangilan-ngilan na parang pasundot-sundot lang na adlib, di ba? After ng intro, di ba, yung guitar 1 ganito ginagawa. And then pagbagsak niya ng A na to, siya namang pasok ng guitar 2 doon sa may first adlib niya. So 12 fret, first and second string, slide down to 10th, and then from 10th punta ng 7th, and then 7th punta ng 5th, and then from 5th punta ng 10th, diba? Ganyan siya. Diba? Okay, ganun yung pasok. And then, after this, pwede niyang gawin yung diba, hulungin ka, no, pwede siyang magsusundot dito. Magsusundot eh. Bastos. Fifth fret, second string, sixth fret, third string. Hammer on natin gamit yung dalawang daliri na to. Itong 7th fret, third and second string. And then, itong shape na to galing dito, slide down. Baba lang natin ang dalawang fret. Okay, slide up to. Balik lang doon, di ba? Tapos, yeah, alright. Dun sa yeah, alright na yon. Yeah, alright. Bali, ano yun? 14th. Slide to 12. From 12 to 10. From 10 to 3rd. And then, from 3rd to 5th. Okay, diba? Yeah, alright. Tapos diba? Feeling kinda lonely too, if you don't mind. And I sit down here beside you. Yeah, alright. After this ulit ng yeah, alright na to. Yeah, alright. Meron ulit siyang adlib dito sa part na to, di ba? Alright. Okay, bali from 12 punta ng 10th. Then from 10th punta ng 7. Then from 7 punta ng 12. Di ba? If I seem to come on too strong, I hope you will understand. Tapos, yung sa may understand na yun, di ba? May ganun pa siya, di ba? Steady things, I'd like to know if you're as lonely as I am, and if you mind sharing the night. Magaganto ulit siya dito. Together. Okay? Ano pa ba? And then dun sa may second verse, meron ulit siyang sundot sa may yeah, alright ulit, di ba? Yeah, alright. Ganun naman, di ba? Galing sa 14th, second, 12th, and then from 12 to 10th, then from 10th to 5th, and then 5th, pupunta ng 7, then babalik, di ba? Okay, so ganun. Yeah, alright. Okay, and then it's like I do, see your eyes, like I do. Yeah, alright. Ulit dito. Okay. Is there a place where we can go? Okay, ganun siya. We can be alone together and turn the lights on low. Start sharing the night together. Yeah. Sharing the night together. Hanggang matapos na yun. Hanggang mag-fade out. Dito na siya babad. So, yun lang naman yung highlights ng guitar 2. The rest, pwede ka naman sumabay dun sa may chords ng guitar 1. So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.